Hey guys, it's me, Mani, and I'm back with a whole new hairstyle. It's semi-new for me. Somebody was like, oh, I've only seen you with braids one other time. Yeah, because I've only had braids one other time in my entire life. Like, long braids like this, like, not no braid out braids, like, real braids. So, yeah, I am home due to the Roni, Miss Rona, whatever you want to call her. I'm home. So I was staring at this hair, like I had basically 4 packets of hair in my bathroom closet, and I was like, I might as well just try to give myself some box braids. Like, why not? I saw maybe like a minute clip on Instagram of somebody doing box braids themselves, and I was like, I can do that. I can do that. So I was like, I got hair, I have gel, let's get it cracking. And I started around at 9:30 p.m. ended basically at 1 a.m. It wasn't hard, actually, very shockingly. I'll put the pack, like the type of hair I used, in the description box. But besides that, I filmed me doing it on a real camera. Was popping. But sadly, I'm editing it now, and I just realized that when I started filming the front, it wasn't focused. I'm learning. It's like trial periods of me with this camera. Like, it's really my first time using it by myself, and I don't know what I'm doing. So it was blurry, and I'm not gonna upload that. It's nothing really different. I just wanted to show y'all the front, but it's the same exact thing I did to the back, so don't worry about that. Yeah, here you go. All right, it's recording. You can see me? All right. My hair is separated into one top half, and then the back half is separated into 2 parts. On the left side, I made 6 braids out of that whole quadrant. On the right side, I'm going to attempt to do the same thing. And I didn't really concern myself about parts being straight because I just figured we on quarantine anyway, so who's really going to be clocking my braids? Like, let's be real. With my water concoction, I'm just going to spray my hair so that it's damp and easy for me to comb through. With this hair milk product, I'm going to put a little bit on my hand and break that through my hair as well, so that while my hair is in these braids, it at least started with some type of moisturizing product. Does this look ratchet? Off camera, I put Eco Styler on this little section and I brushed it through. Now I'm taking a very small rubber band and then putting it around the section. Now on the next section, again, I spray, add product, and then comb all of that through. That's me grabbing the Eco Styler and then putting it around the roots of the section. Now for the hard part. I separated my hair into 3 parts as if I were going to do a regular braid. And I actually started that plait without any extra hair. To add the hair, I placed the section over the hand that's holding the braid that we started. From the loose placement, I can grab the section with my right hand, holding it in place, and continue braiding the hair. You should now have 2 sections with hair extensions and 1 section without. Because I only had 4 packs of hair to begin with, I only added 2 sections of fake hair to each braid. And to add the next section, you have to begin with the hair that only has your natural hair. That way, all 3 sections of the braid will have extended hair added to them. From there, I continue to braid the 3 sections of hair as usual. When I got to the end of the braid, I wrapped the hair around my finger and pulled it through like a single knot. So sorry that I couldn't record the front, but do you want it blurry or what? Like, but if you have any questions, you can let me know. If you have any questions, you can let me know what they are in the comment section. Like this video, because I'm stuck in the house and I didn't have anything else to do but experiment on my hair. And it came out pretty nice. It came out pretty decent. This comes to basically the bottom of my back. And I used 4 packs of hair. And I did it all by myself last night on a whim. So like my video, make sure you are subscribed.